Yeah, hi friends. See one example on how to create text classification by using Azure OpenAI. So let's jump into the demo. So to do that, we need an Azure AI resource. Just go and create one new Azure AI resource. Let me create a resource group. I already have. I selected the same resource group. The name OpenAI demo demo resource. So it's available. The pricing tab. Please select standard. Next, keep all as default. Review. It's review all the things and then just create. It's going to take 2 minutes to create a new Azure OpenAI resource, which will be deployed to your Azure. You need an Azure subscription with OpenAI. Okay, so you can see now the resource has been deployed. Now let me go back to my all resources. You will find my OpenAI resource. Just click on the resource. Now you will be navigated to the overview of my OpenAI. Then just select go to Azure OpenAI Studio. It will open my OpenAI Studio where I can create my model, deployment model. So this is the screen for deployment model. You have to first select the deployments. Just create new deployment. I'll select this is my deployment name, Turbo OpenAI. This is my uh, OpenAI model name. You can give your specified name. Then I'm going to select the GPT Turbo. So this is the LLM model, and rest all things like default, just create. So my deployment, my base model is deployed now. You can see that it is deployed. Just click on the link and make sure that the model is deployed. And it is deployment succeeded. The name of model is this one. Now, if you want to create text classification, just go to the completion. Here you can see your deployed model should be available. And then there are some initial samples has been given. You can select text classification. So this is some example, an example which is predefined. Let us click on generate and see how the responses are coming. It uses Turbo OpenAI deployment model, which is actually a Turbo GPT-3 model, 2.5 model. Okay, you can see that there is the headlines, the categorized as entertainment. Similarly, I have second headlines, it's categorized as business. So let us create the same example over there. Now go back to your chat. I just keep it open in a new tab. Go to the chat and then select. These are the meta tags. Select the meta tag and select the example for chat completion. Classification. We use the same example over here. Copy this and then add it in the meta tag. Classify the headlines into sports. This is the meta tag for your name. Just add some examples so that your model can understand what actually uh, you need. Just an example from the user. So the user, what response you need? You need a response in this manner. Save. Just save the changes. It means that you have to classify the headlines in terms of categories, and you have given some samples to the bot. Let me give another sample so that it will be very clear uh, for the bot to create one more example. Here, user, this is business. Let me give a category as business. We save it. The changes. Okay. So now let us see how our chatbot behaves. Let me take an example from an internet where you can see that uh, this is actually a festival which is La Tomatina. It's a festival which is performed and in the Spain. Let us give that input. Headlines, headline. What is the category of this? You can see it is an entertainment. Let me take some other example. This is I'll just copy. Let's see what is the response. Headlines. What does it category? It is technology. Let me take another example for this. London Marathon. Sorry, headline. This. Let us see. Ah, we can clearly see that our text is getting classified based on the headlines, whatever we have given as an input. Our model is capable of classifying the text, whatever we give as an input, and we are getting. With a small example, we have seen how we can create a model. You can deploy it to your new web app, or you can deploy it to any of the server. That is all. It is. Thank you for checking.